So if you want to fix your brake override if it's malfunctioning in your Toyota Hilux, well, there are a few things that you may want to do first. So first is you may want to do a quick check. So before trying anything else, you want to scan the vehicle with an OBD tool to see if error codes pop up. Now at the same time, you want to check your brake fluid level and look over the brake components just to rule out any obvious mechanical problems. Now once you've done that, you may want to do a reset cycle. Now, if everything looks fine, you can reset the override system, turn the ignition to the ACC position, then switch it completely off. Now, repeat the process 3 times, and on the last round, leave it on the on position. So, yeah. So, next is you want to pump the brake pedal here. So, while the ignition is on, you want to press the brake pedal all the way down 5 times in succession and make sure it comes all the way back up between presses. Now you also want to watch for any changes here. So check the dash to see if the malfunction light goes off. To double check, turn the ignition off and then back on again. If the light stays off, the reset actually worked. Now, you just want to do a road test here finally, so finish by taking the Hilux for a short drive. And if everything feels normal and the warning doesn't return, you're pretty much good to go. But if the issue keeps coming back, it's best to have a professional look at it, since it could point to a deeper fault. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.